And good morning. This is E for eMiniWizard.com and MarketWizards.com. And reminder that trading is a risky business and you should have risk capital that you can afford to lose if you're playing this game. These are dangerous, treacherous markets with wild swings. And the most important thing we can do is preserve our capital and then try to make some. And we usually advise hit and run type trading, hard to get one solid swing all the way from yesterday's high down to today's low. Sleeping comes into the picture. For those of us who are normal, lunch, whatever. So reminder, try to take something out of the market, and that's what we're looking for. Trading is a business, and let's treat it that way. Treat our money with respect, treat the market with respect. Pre-market going to be open in a couple of minutes. I've adjusted this overnight range to reflect the gap. So that's why I threw this a little bit. I did this manually with the widget. So I said this 85 is resistance. That was the gap. And we're going to have to assume that, say this 45, 46. So just a very simple idea that I had that, okay, on a bounce, maybe we can get back to 62s to 65s, test the middle zone. And I had posted in the room when the news came out, okay, let's use that 68 to 72 as our resistance. So currently that's the play, and the market is bouncing against obviously the overnight trend. So trend plays are short, contras are long, and typically we want to think about the convenient trade, scary as it is, better odds, because the market had already done what some of us were hoping to do, which would be to wash out that prior low. So I'm going to think more neutrally right now. And I hope you do too. Don't think that this is just a one-way day. We know that we can get screaming bounces out of oversold conditions. Take a look at the chart, and we are going to be opening. This was the basis of my idea to let's use that 72. Don't forget, last night, remember I was chewing and chewing on that 68 and trying to break down. I posted in the room, I think we're going to go down and close that RTH gap at the 65s. And then you go to bed and you wake up, and I don't know about you, but I don't trade overnight. I'm sleeping like a baby. If you want to play, options are a good way to play. But at my age, I don't really play much overnight anymore. But I do keep my head in the game. So we're using this now for our immediate ideas. And I say two-way day, and we need to resolve the inside day first, meaning the current range from overnight. So anybody that is playing the first couple of minutes, reminder, half gap and gap type trades are typically the norm. Today, we're going to have to think about this more of a range type trade rather than just a direct trend trade. We've already hit S1, and we have to realize we've come a long way from where we were yesterday at the end of the day. So equal opportunity employer today, and I think we have to be very careful assuming just close your eyes and short. Very dangerous way to play the markets. And those of you conservative, just sit sidelines for a couple of minutes. We've made the notation for everybody that, first of all, 52s, 52 and a quarter, that prior low is a support idea until broken. And then we also want to know where that 59, that 58.75 low was. That was yesterday's low. So if we're above both of those, the market is bouncing. That's the importance of that metric. And anybody that is going long side, you are fighting a very strong trend right now. So my guess is before we're done, we're going to test support. And we'll take a look at angels and demons for that. So that's our current range. And obviously this high right in here, this 72 area is going to be probably a critical resistance early. And if we beat that, then obviously we know where we're looking. Try and test 75s to 78s. And hit and run is my suggestion, anybody that is playing.